Pacing up and down your drive, trying to get the nerve affirmed that I'm the only one who you should give of your affection.
Thank you.